सर मैं वही कह रहा था, मैं बहुत खुश था डायरेक्टर बनना चाहता था, स्क्रिप्ट भी लिख रहा था, असिस्टेंट बना था, पहले कल हो ना हो की थी, उसके बाद सलाम मेश कर रहा था। आई वाज वर्किंग विद द सेम डायरेक्टर निखिल अडवाणी। मेरे जहन में कभी ये बात नहीं आई, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा। मुझे इस इंडस्ट्री से प्यार है, आई वांटेड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोफेशन एंड आई चोज डायरेक्शन बिकॉज मुझे फिल्म से बहुत लगाव था। मेरे अंदर जो एक्टर छपा था वो सच में सलमान भाई ने पहले देखा, मेरे खानदान के पहले उन्होंने, मुझसे पहले उन्होंने ही देखा।
Believe that a big part of you being where you are is someone recognizing you and recognizing the potential actor in you, and that person was Salman Khan.
But there you can see me there with him.
Right, right. We can't see him tell you that you should be an actor, but
he saw that.
right.
He saw me like that.
And he thought you
And
can make a change.
He saw potential in me as an actor. It's very rare. I still don't know. He never tells me what he saw in those days when I was an assistant and I was around him and I spent a lot of time with him. He clearly saw something, I hope.
Yes.
It wasn't like he just told me, chal hero ban ja.
Right.
I think it came from an emotional connect and I'm glad that he's God sent. He's God sent. He's God sent. My mother
So
always
tell us,
told me
what
he's
did he
God sent.
tell you? What did he tell you and how did you react?
He said you should, we were just at his place one night and this was post the shooting of Salamesh. We were hanging one night and he just looked at me and he said, you should become an actor. So I looked at him and then I looked down and I saw this stomach. And then I looked at him again. I said, you want me to become an actor? I'm very happy being a director. I'm writing my script and I'll direct. I have no interest in acting. He said, no. The opportunity that you have being a producer's son, you can direct whenever you want. You will wake up 10 years from today regretting that you didn't give it your best shot, and don't have any regrets in life. Give it your best shot. What's the worst thing that can happen? The worst thing that can happen is you don't make it as an actor, but at least you have to try. Very few people will get a chance like you, so make the most of it. And it's not like he said it and went away. The next morning he told me, come, we'll start working out, and so we did. And then he took care of my diet, he taught me how to get the form of training right, what kind of training to do, the kind of time you should invest in the gym. You don't have to spend 4 hours, you can spend 20 minutes and get a great output.
Right.
And I spent a lot of time with him as a person.
Right.
And I think that also gave me mental willpower to see a man like that after pack up at 10:30, 11 at night to go and work out. And I think that's an extension of his teachings, that even like last night I trained after doing all my interviews, I've gone and trained at 10 at night. So it's his upbringing almost where I'm concerned to become an actor and to be able to do this to myself.
Right.
And that moment will always stay in my head forever. He just said, don't ever regret anything. Don't hold regrets in life. So give it your best shot. What's the worst that can happen? You can direct after that if you fail as an actor.
Right.
He made it seem simple. And when Salman Khan shows faith in you, you just go with the flow.
Right.
If you start, what I started when I was 19, today I'm reaping the benefits by looking like this.
Correct.
So you will not, it is not that you need to worry about how you look when you're 28. You need to worry about how you look like when you're 35, when you're 40.
Right.
And also, trust me, I was a very happy fat kid. I still love eating and I still eat. It's not that I don't.
Yeah.
I managed to know when to eat and when not to eat, because in my profession I can't always be not looking good. I need to look my best as much as possible. But above and beyond all that, you should be active. You're 27 years old. I love going to the gym now. I know what it felt like when I started. I used to be embarrassed. I didn't want people to look at me. I was nervous about अरे लोग क्या सोचेंगे मैं जिम में क्या कर रहा हूँ. मैं 10 सेकंड भागता था, मेरी सांस फूलने लगती थी. Which you will also face. It's inevitable. You cannot help that.
Right.
But 10 से फिर 15 पे पहुंचा. जॉगर्स पार्क पे सलमान भाई लेके जाते थे राउंड मारने. वो बोर हो जाते थे मुझे देख के कि मैं बस चले जा रहा हूँ. I can't run. You cannot give up, and you have to have a long-term goal in mind. So 10 will become 15, 15 becomes 20. Right. So the same way, start going to the gym twice a week, thrice a week, 4 times. Get confident, get comfortable.
Right.
Find your comfort zone. Go on the treadmill and walk for half an hour. Right. Walk for 45 minutes. You don't have to go and start sprinting and lifting heavy weights.
Correct. But the idea is to begin, basically. You have to start.
If you won't start, if you're going to buy the shoes and keep them at home, then don't buy them. Spend
Yeah.
that money on buying your McDonald's and eat that then instead.
Absolutely.